This is Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We have about a 150-acre field in here that's being sold in mid-September of this year, in 2010. And because of that, we have a lot of trees in the fields here that we can't sell and we won't be able to sell. So we're giving them away to people that can come and dig them. And this is a block of Japanese white birches. They're probably 12 to 15 foot high. You will need to be able to dig them out, but you can have them for free. If you're a nonprofit organization like a 501(c)(3), we also will be digging some trees to give away. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. But we cannot dig these trees for you because we just don't have the time to do it unless, you're a nonprofit organization. For the general homeowner, they're free. You come and dig them. But, for like schools, Boy Scouts, churches, religious groups, nonprofits, we have some free trees for you. There's a lot of ground here that's being sold. They're putting in 465 houses. And as I said, by September 15th, it should be sold. All the approvals are in place for the development. And so just give us a call at 215-651-8329. We have quite a few pines, spruces, and arborvitaes out in these fields that we're going to be digging. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is the foliage of a Helleri holly. Helleri holly is a green evergreen that grows about a foot high, maybe 2 foot wide. It's slow growing, and it's great for along a walkway, a pathway, or if you want to cover up a utility box. It's a nice evergreen. It's easy to grow. It likes a little bit of pruning. We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. And we have a lot of other types of hollies for you. For example, that's the green luster holly. And we have more hollies, as well as boxwood, and many other kinds of trees, plants, and shrubs. We're growing on a couple hundred acres here in Fountainville, and we also have a couple thousand acres in Milan, PA, in Bradford County. We deliver and plant up and down the East Coast, so call us for your tree and shrub needs at 215-651-8329. Again, this is your Helleri holly foliage right here, a nice little plant. This is an area of one of our farms that we're actually keeping that's not being sold in the development. So we have more trees and shrubs over there for you to come and view. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, and we're also on Route 220 in Milan, PA. We do deliver plant for people, so give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is Chamaecyparis gold mop. It's a deer-resistant plant that's used along walkways to hide utility boxes. Nice, bright, golden color. It's weeping in form and habitat. It can get to be a couple of feet high and wide, usually around 3 to 4 foot tall and 4 foot wide. And since it is deer-resistant, it's a great choice for urban areas where there's a lot of deer and you want nice color in your yard. We sell a lot of different kinds of trees and shrubs here at Highland Hill Farm. These are our Crimson Queen Japanese maples. They have nice red foliage, but the gold thread cypress has a beautiful golden foliage. And it's nicely offset by the red of the Crimson Queen. We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313. We specialize in a lot of trees, plants, and shrubs. We do a lot of windbreaks and barriers. We're located on 313 in Bucks County. Our website is seedlingsrus.com. We have a couple hundred acres here in Fountainville and a couple thousand acres in Bradford County. Our website is seedlingsrus.com, and our phone number is 215-651-8329. Thank you. These are 5-foot China Girl hollies. Give us a call, 215-651-8329. You see we got a good selection here for you to pick. 215-651-8329. These are green velvet boxwoods. These are about 36 inches. You can see down there we have quite a few more of them. So give us a call at 215-651-8329.